It is the given differential equation. Then next the z transform apply చేయటము. Z transform apply చేస్తే y of z is equal to 3/4 into z transform z inverse of y of z minus 1/8 z inverse minus 2 into y of z plus x of capital X of z plus 1/3 into z inverse into capital X of z. Then y of z terms taken to one side, 1 minus 3 z inverse plus 1/8 z power minus 2 is equal to x of z into 1 plus 1/3 z inverse. Then y of z divided by x of z is equal to 1 plus 1/3 z inverse divided by 1 minus 3 pi z inverse plus 1/8 z power minus 2. Then next z square తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ డినామినేటర్ z square తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే z square plus 1/3 z divided by z square minus 3/4 z plus 1/8. Then denominator characteristic equation. Then next we then find the roots of the characteristic equation. Simply 8z square z is equal to 3/4 plus or minus square root of 3/4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1/8 divided by 2a 2 into 1 that is equal to 3/4 3/4 plus or minus square root of 9/16 minus 4/8 means 1/2 divided by 2 that is equal to 3/4 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 8 divided by 16 1/16 1/16 means 1/4 plus or minus 1/4 divided by 2 3/4 plus 1 1/2 comma 3/4 minus 1/4 1/2 3/4 2/4 1/2 1/2 by 2 1/4. So then next z square plus 1/3 z divided by z minus 1/2 into z minus 1/4 is equal to y of z divided by x of z. Then z into z plus 1/3 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 1/4. Then taken this as one term and another one as another term. Z divided by z minus 1/2 into z plus 1 by z plus 1/3 divided by z minus 1/4. Z inverse multiply with z inverse numerator and denominator to the one fraction and multiply z inverse to the numerator and denominator to the another fraction. 1 divided by 1 minus 1/2 into z inverse into 1 plus 1/3 z inverse divided by 1 minus 1/4 into z inverse. The next these both are apply both to the direct form 2. Direct form 2 means y1 of z divided by x1 of z is equal to 1/1 minus 1/2 into z inverse y2 of z divided by x2 of z is equal to 1 plus 1/3 into z inverse divided by 1 minus 1/4 into z inverse. This is one term and this is the another term. Then multiply y1 of z divided by w1 of z into w1 of z divided by x1 of z is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 1/2 z inverse y1 of z. Then take y1 of z divided by w1 of z is equal to 1 and the another one is another one into 1. y1 of z divided by w1 of z is equal to 1 comma w1 of z divided by x1 of z is equal to 1/1 minus 1/2 z inverse. y1 of z is equal to w1 of z Then apply inverse trans Z inverse. Then y1 of n is equal to w1 of n. w1 of z divided by x1 of z is equal to this one, multiplication with cross multiplication x1 of z. Apply z inverse. Then omega 1 of n is equal to minus 1 by 2 into omega 1 of n minus 1 is equal to x1 of n. Then next consider x1 of n, omega 1 of n, y1 of n. y1 of n is this point, y1 x1 of n. y1 of n is the one, y of n is equal to y1 of omega 1 of n. omega of n, this one z inverse చేస్తే omega 1 of n minus 1. And this one, the summation point. The summation point multiplication factor is minus 1 by 2. And this multiplication factor is minus 1 by 2 is there, and this will be right here. And then next, the second part, y2 of z divided by w2 of z is in z into w2 of z divided by x2 of z is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 into z inverse divided by 1 into 1 by 1 minus 4 into z inverse. Then y2 of z divided by w2 of z is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 into z inverse w2 of z divided by x2 of z is equal to 1 by 1 minus 4 into z inverse. y2 of z divided by w2 of z, when next cross multiplication, is equal to w2 of z plus 1 by 3 into w2 of z into z inverse. Then next inverse z transform, y2 of n is equal to omega 2 of n plus 1 by 3 into omega 2 of n minus 1. Then next, this one z inverse w2 of z is equal into minus 1 by 4 into z inverse into w2 of z is equal to x2 of z. Then next inverse z inverse, omega 2 of n minus 1 by 4 into z inverse means omega 2 of n minus 1 is equal to x2 of n. x2 of n, omega 2 of n, y2 of n. y2 of n is directly omega 2 of n, so this one will factor will be 1. omega 2 of n minus 1, so this one z inverse omega 2 of n minus 1. omega 2 of n minus 1 multiplication factor is 1 by 3, so multiplication factor is 1 by 3. This will be sum here, x2 of n, x2 of n into omega 2 of n is directly 1, and w2 of n into 1 minus 1 by 4 is right here. Cascade connection, we will do cascade connection. So just y2 of n is combines with x2 of n, x1 of n is replaced with capital X of small x of n, and y2 of n is replaced with y of n. This is the cascade connection, total principle.